You can use an announcement page as a blog. The great thing about announcement page and the posts is a post is just anything. You can post anything. And I want to show you how I changed some different posts. Like I said, a post is just an individual web page. So if you're doing a blog or a class blog, this is the perfect thing. Because you can post just new posts and type in what you want about your blog. And the beauty of it is the posts are just like web pages. So here's my post, project due April 10th. I changed the layout. So I have a header and a 2-column layout. In this column, I put in the calendar. And the beauty is if you make a calendar for the project, I just put in the US holiday calendar. When you go into Google Calendar and change dates, it'll automatically update it if this is your project calendar. So you don't have to go to two places. You can also embed links. So if you want to say, here's these great research links for your project, you could put a whole bunch of different links in the post. And kids don't have an excuse, oh, I can't find the information. Well, it's right there for them to see. You also can put in images, video, and when we get into more about the embedding and adding things into the page, we'll show you how to do all these different features. So when you go down to the bottom, it says 1 of 3 posts. If this is, you can basically flip through. Now I only have 3 posts, but if there's posts that are older, you can use these arrows to arrow through the post. And notice they're chronological by the newest ones, posted now 8 minutes ago, oldest. One other thing I want to show you, besides so you can use it as a blog, like I said, and add anything that you want. A cool feature is called Recent Post Gadgets. And what Recent Post Gadgets does is you can post on these posts onto another page. So if you decide to make the homework page like an announcement page and just keep posting homework and update it, you could go to your main page. So kids wouldn't even have to, or important dates, and you have a whole separate important dates page, but you also want it to be embedded on your main page or any other page. If you go to edit page, and click your cursor where you want it to be. So maybe I just want it to be over here in this column over here, little sidebar, kind of out of the way. This could be a weather or whatever, but watch. If I go to insert and I go to recent posts, and you can pick show posts from what page. Well, the announcement page is the only page that I have. If I had more pages that were announcement type pages, it would show anything that you created as an announcement page. You can decide, do you want a short snippet, a medium snippet, the full post? Do you want a thumbnail image of the first post? How many posts do you want to display? Do you want to include a border? Do you want to include a title? And watch what happens. I click save. And right now you only see it as like a little blob here, but if I go save again, then you can actually see the recent announcements. Here it is, project due, your projects are due. Time change, don't forget. I just had a little snippet, I didn't put the full post. You could view more. So here's a great way to integrate any page that you create as an announcement page onto another page. So updates could be right there, just easy for people to see. So homeworks, projects, field trips, whatever you want. And you can add most anything. So just show you that again, it's under insert, recent posts. And then, like I said, you can choose if you have more than one page that you created as an announcement page, it'll show up here. I just did short snippet. You could do medium snippet. Or let's see what happens full posts. Include a thumbnail image. Let's see what it looks like. Remember, you have to click save to actually see it. So here it shows the whole big giant thing. So it takes up a lot of room. So you probably want to just do the snippet version. Now the beauty is if you just do the snippet version, let me show you that again, sorry. If we do insert and recent post, and we keep it short snippet, and we say save. And then you click on save so you can actually see it. So you've got your short snippets. Now it's all the way across because of where I actually put it in. I had my cursor was in my header. So remember, wherever your cursor is where it's going to insert it, and I could always fix it. You can actually click on the link and it will take you to a full post. So don't worry about someone not being able to see the whole thing, because you just want to give them an idea of it and they can click on it and it will take them to the page. This is a link. So very useful recent posts that you can post any kind of announcement page and any of those posts onto another page in your website. Good for information.